Hello and welcome back to our Better Health community. In this video, we'll explore the top 6 surprising walnut benefits for a healthier you. Walnuts are not just a tasty snack. They are packed with essential nutrients that can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. Let's find out why you should start including walnuts in your daily diet. Before we bite into the details, let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers and a huge shout out to our long-term BHWF members. Your support is deeply appreciated. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you're new to this community. Now, back to the video. Did you know that walnuts are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health? Today, we're going to dive into the surprising walnut benefits that can help you lead a healthier life. Many of us face common health issues like heart problems, poor brain function, and struggles with weight management. The good news is that incorporating walnuts into your diet can actually help combat these challenges. These small nuts are a powerhouse of nutrients that can make a big difference in your health journey. Now, let's dive into the specific health benefits of walnuts. Firstly, walnuts are great for heart health as they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and phytosterols, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the arteries. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts are essential for brain function and can improve cognitive performance. Moreover, the fiber and protein content in walnuts can aid in weight management by keeping you feeling full and satisfied. But here comes the most surprising walnut benefit: their anti-inflammatory properties and potential cancer-fighting abilities. Walnuts contain antioxidants and polyphenols that help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Studies have also shown that the compounds found in walnuts may have anti-cancer effects, making them a powerful addition to your diet for overall health and well-being. Here are the top 5 health benefits of walnuts. Number 1. Heart health. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is associated with improved heart health. Consuming walnuts regularly may help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Number 2. Brain function. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts are also beneficial for brain health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of walnuts may improve cognitive function and memory, as well as reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Number 3. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, walnuts can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. Their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats can increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Number 4. Antioxidant properties. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E, polyphenols, and melatonin. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. Number 5. Improved gut health. Walnuts contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to overall gut health. To sum it up, walnuts offer a range of health benefits that can improve your heart health, brain function, weight management, and even potentially fight off cancer. By incorporating walnuts into your daily diet, you can experience a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. So, next time you're looking for a nutritious snack, reach for a handful of walnuts. Share your thoughts and experiences with walnuts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos to help you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching.